In this video, I'll be talking about the 9 tech jobs that require no coding skills. That's right, and you heard it correctly. These are high in demand, rewarding careers in the tech world where you don't need to write a single line of code. Before I get into this video, if you're new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we teach you how to make money, multiply your money, and manage your money the right way. So if you love content on these topics, please like this video and kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Now to the 9 high-in-demand tech jobs that require no coding. Number 1 is product manager. Now, product managers act as the architect of a product vision and development. They work closely with various teams including engineers, marketers, and designers to bring a product to life, from initial concept to market release. And as a product manager, your main responsibilities include defining the product goals, managing timelines, and ensuring that the end result meets both consumer needs and the business goals. Now, while product managers don't need to code, they must have a solid understanding of technology and user experience to be able to communicate effectively with technical teams and guide decisions about product features and functionality. Now, such persons must have excellent leadership, communication, and organizational skills as they act as the hub connecting all aspects of a project. So if you feel you have all of these qualities, you can take a course in product management and pursue it as a career in tech. Number 2 is UI UX designer. Now, in this digital age, creating seamless and enjoyable user experiences is more important than ever. Now, for the UX, which is known as the user experience, designers focus on how users interact with a product, ensuring that it meets the user's needs. Now, meanwhile, for UI, which is known as the user interface, the designers are responsible for the look and feel of the product, designing visually appealing and easy to navigate interfaces. Now, while these roles involve tools like Adobe XD and Figma to create wireframes and prototypes, coding is generally not required. Instead, UI UX designers need a deep understanding of user behavior, design principles, and a good eye for detail. So if you feel you are good at designing, then you can give UI UX a try. The third one is data analyst. Now, data is the backbone of decision making in nearly every industry today. And data analysts are responsible for gathering, organizing, and interpreting data to provide actionable insight that help businesses make informed decisions. Now, while more advanced roles like data science may require coding, most data analyst positions involve working with tools like Excel, SQL to manipulate and visualize data. And data analysts need strong analytical and critical thinking skills to identify patterns and trends in data sets. And their insights guide business strategies, improve processes, and help companies better understand their customers, their products, and market conditions. So in simple terms, as a data analyst, you are only analyzing data to help a company make better decisions. The fourth one is IT support specialists. Now, IT support specialists are the problem solvers behind the scenes. They ensure that all the technology systems within a company are running smoothly, and they troubleshoot and resolve technical issues, provide system maintenance, and offer support to users encountering software or hardware problems. Now, this role requires a good understanding of computer systems, networks, and software, but it doesn't involve coding. Instead, IT support professionals rely on their technical knowledge and problem-solving skills to address issues efficiently. They also play a vital role in maintaining cybersecurity protocols and ensuring that all devices and systems in a company are secure and up to date. The fifth one is project manager. Now, project managers are essential to ensuring that tech projects run smoothly from start to finish. Now, in this role, you will be responsible for planning, executing, and closing projects, keeping everything on schedule, within budget, and aligned with the company's goals. Now, a tech project manager doesn't need to know how to code at all, but must understand the broader technical landscape to communicate effectively with the teams. Now, as a project manager, you will coordinate with engineers, designers, and other stakeholders to define project goals, manage resources, and ensure that the final product meets both user expectations and business goals. Now, strong leadership, communication, and organizational skills are a must, as project managers often juggle multiple moving parts at once. The sixth one is tech sales specialist. Now, tech sales is a lucrative field for those with strong communication and relationship building skills. And as a tech sales specialist, your role is to sell technology products such as software, hardware, or IT services to businesses or consumers. Now, while an understanding of the product technical aspect is important, coding is not important. Instead, success in this role relies on your ability to explain the benefits and features of tech products in a way that resonates with customers. Now, tech salespeople also need to be skilled negotiators and must stay up to date on industry trends and product advancement to effectively meet the needs of their client. Number 7 is digital marketer. Now, in this digital age, businesses need to maintain a strong online presence, and digital marketers are the experts who can make this happen. Now, digital marketers create, implement, and manage online marketing campaigns across platforms such as social media, email, and search engines. They also analyze data to optimize campaign performance and target the right audience. Now, this role doesn't require coding, but it does demand a deep understanding of SEO, SEM, and tools like Google Analytics and various social media platforms. And creativity, strategic thinking, and the ability to adapt to changing trends are the key to thriving as a digital marketer in the tech world. Number 8 is to be a technical writer. Now, technical writers are the storytellers of the tech world. They take complex information such as software instructions, user guides, and system documentation and translate it into easy to understand content for non-technical users or team members. Now, these writers must have a clear understanding of the product or system they are writing about, but they don't need to know how to code. Instead, they work closely with engineers and developers to gather information and create clear, concise, and user-friendly documentation. And technical writers are in demand across a variety of industries, from software development companies to manufacturing, where clear instructions are crucial for product usage and compliance. Now, before I tell you guys the last rule, don't forget to join our Telegram community and also subscribe to our weekly newsletter so you can be the first to know whenever we drop new content on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to visit our website www.personalfinancecircle.com to read our various finance articles. The links to all of this will be in the description below. The ninth role you can get in the tech world without coding is cybersecurity analyst. Now, with increasing concerns about data breaches and cyber attacks, cybersecurity analysts are becoming more crucial than ever. Now, while more advanced cybersecurity roles may require coding to develop security protocols, many analyst positions focus on monitoring systems, identifying vulnerabilities, and responding to security threats. Now, these professionals also conduct risk assessment and work to ensure that their organization's data remains safe. Now, instead of writing code, cybersecurity analysts need a solid understanding of networking, encryption, and security protocols, as well as analytical skills to identify and mitigate potential risks. So those are the 9 high-in-demand tech jobs that don't require you to be a coding guru. From managing product to keeping our digital world safe, there's a spot for all kinds of talent in tech. Now, the best part of this is that these roles are in high demand. So whether you're a graduate thinking about switching careers or you're just curious about tech, don't let the fear of coding hold you back. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share with your friends. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our videos. And if you want to learn the 5 ways to make money with crypto, click the video showing right here. And if you want to learn the 10 passive income ideas to make money for yourself, click the video showing right here. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.